Powerful herbs and spices you should eat to unclog arteries and prevent a heart attack. Atherosclerosis occurs when fatty deposits accumulate along artery walls. You may have heard the condition referred to as clogged arteries or hardening of arteries. This causes the arteries to narrow and restrict blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. How arteries can become clogged? Atherosclerosis is considered a major underlying cause of heart disease, including coronary artery disease. Atherosclerosis is the underlying cause of about 50% of deaths in Western countries. It is a chronic inflammatory disease with numerous risk factors. You are more likely to develop atherosclerosis if you have high LDL cholesterol, have high blood pressure, smoke cigarettes, have diabetes, have a family history of atherosclerosis, have obesity, consume a poor diet, engage in a sedentary lifestyle. However, diet rich in certain foods like vegetables, fruits, herbs, spices, and fish has shown to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. There are 7 powerful herbs and spices you should eat to unclog arteries and prevent a heart attack. Number 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a delicious spice that goes great in your favorite breakfast and dessert recipes. It is also popular around the winter holidays. For its delightful smell, people have used cinnamon for thousands of years, and it is loved for its numerous medicinal properties. One of those properties is its ability to lower unhealthy cholesterol levels. It also might lower your blood pressure. Studies have shown that a daily sprinkling of cinnamon may even help reduce your risk of heart disease. Garlic. Garlic has a strong odor, but it can kick your recipes up a notch. It kicks your heart health up a notch too. This kitchen staple may help a variety of conditions ranging from common cold to infections to high blood pressure. Fresh garlic can lower blood pressure, bring down bad cholesterol levels, and reduce swelling. By doing this, garlic might reduce your risk of heart attack or stroke. Cayenne pepper. If you like to add a bit of spice heat to your food, cayenne pepper help keep blood flowing well around your body. Capsaicin is a compound in cayenne pepper that may help lower your blood pressure. Increased blood flow plus lower blood pressure equals a healthier heart. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that's a staple in Indian foods. Even if you have not ventured out into this type of cooking, you have probably heard of the health benefits of turmeric. Curcumin is what makes turmeric healthy and yellow. Gives yellow color. It's also what gives the spice some health benefits. Curcumin may help lower blood cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and help prevent blood clots. Ginger is a powerful addition to salads, tea, baked goods, and Asian dishes. Research shows that eating ginger daily is also helpful in lowering your blood pressure, reducing cholesterol, and keeping your blood vessels supple and open. Studies shown that eating ginger stops the hardening of those arteries, potentially making it an effective herb for preventing and treating heart disorders. Coriander. Coriander has multiple effects that can benefit your heart health. The herb acts as a diuretic, which can help flush extra sodium from your system and reduce your blood pressure. Early research also suggests that coriander can help lower bad LDL cholesterol, reducing your risk of atherosclerosis, a form of coronary heart disease. Green tea. Green tea contains high levels of catechins, which hinder the absorption of cholesterol during digestion. Drinking a cup or two each day can help to improve your blood lipid levels and reduce arterial blockage. Green tea also gives your metabolism a natural boost, which can aid in weight loss and support cardiovascular health. Last but not least is parsley, which is a nutrient dense herb that may improve heart health. For example, it's a good source of vitamin B folate, with a half cup, approximately 30 gram, providing 11% of recommended daily intake. High intakes of dietary folate may reduce heart disease risk in certain populations. Studies have shown that the highest intake of folate was associated with approximately 38% of reduced risk of heart disease.